everyone, this is Forlisa. Welcome back to Homebody. If you have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up before you click off of the video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing 6 DIYs using Totally Dazzled bling wrap and brooches. Now the first one I'm going to be doing is a bow. So basically this technique I got from Olivia, from Olivia's Romantic Home. I'll link her channel below. So what she does is she takes her ribbon. The ribbon came from Michael's, by the way. It's really, really cute. I love it. She takes her ribbon and she just overlap it over itself like 6 times. And I'm going to do it to the point to where I have 3 loops on each side of my bow. And so once I finish overlapping it, then I'm going to go ahead and cut my ribbon. And once I cut my ribbon, I'm going to fold that in half so I can find my center point. Once I find my center point, I'm going to cut 2 small little clitches on the side of my bow so I can have my center point. Then I'm going to get a tie back and just tie it around the middle, crunching it up so I can create my bow. And once I get my bow created, I'm going to go ahead and separate my loops. And then I'm going to attach my Totally Dazzled brooch to the center. So what I'm doing here is just creating the loops on my bow. Now you're going to have to play around with the bow to get it to your liking so that your bow can develop its own personality. And even once you're done, when you place your bow on whatever you're going to do with it, you're still going to have to play around with your loops. So what I'm doing now is just attaching my Totally Dazzled brooch. And isn't this cute, you guys? I love this. I wish I would have made more. Wish I would have purchased more of this ribbon. I may go back and see if they have some. But yeah, so this is this one. Okay, so the next item that I'm going to be making is a simple bow. I'm going to be using Totally Dazzled bling wrap for this one. So I'm going to take the bling wrap, I'm going to cut out some of the bling wrap, and then I'm going to take that and fold it just once. Then I'm going to get my hot glue and glue the folds together. Then I'm going to get one of my tie backs and I'm going to take the middle of the bow, crunch it together, and take my tie back and make my bow. It's really simple, you guys. You either can use this one as a Christmas tree ornament, you can make multiple of these, or you can use them as a bow for your Christmas present. So what I'm doing here is taking a piece of the Totally Dazzled bling wrap and overlaying it on top of the tie back so that no one can see the actual tie back on the ribbon. So for this next one, I'm basically going to make some gift wrap, a bow for this actual gift wrap. So I'm using some Totally Dazzled bling wrap and I'm using my bow that I actually just showed you guys. So I'm just going to basically take the Totally Dazzled bling wrap and just wrap it around the box as you see here. I'm going to make a 2-layer here, just like that. So I'm going to hot glue the back of the Totally Dazzled to the back of the box, the ends of the Totally Dazzled bling wrap to the back of the box. Then I'm going to take my bow, my simple bow that I made, and just hot glue it to the center of the box. And I think this is so cute, you guys. You can be unique and different with your bows and your ribbon and gift wrap. I love this one. This one was my favorite. Okay, now So with this one, I lost the footage to this one. So basically I did the same technique for the one I just showed you, and I just made a ribbon and I glued it to the center of the box, and I took a Totally Dazzled brooch and pinned it through the middle. And I think this is a cute one too. This is a cute one too, you guys. Now for this one, I just took some Totally Dazzled Bling wrap, just as I did with the other one, and I took a brooch and just put it in the center of the bling wrap. It was very easy to do, very simple, very elegant, and what you're seeing on that box is some hot glue, so I need to just wipe that off. I do apologize for showing you guys that in the video, the hot glue that's stuck right there on the side. So what I'm doing now is just pinning the Totally Dazzled brooch in the middle of the box. Very cute. So now I'm going to show you guys how I style my gift boxes using my 6 Totally Dazzled DIYs. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.